What's up YouTube? Andrew over here with Nautilus Spearfishing. Today I got something pretty cool. We're going to talk about the Cetma composite fins. We haven't talked about these yet. I've had a lot of guys reaching out via email, and guess what? You guys ask, I provide. So here we are. So check it out. I don't have the Mantra models here with me today, but this one right here, this is the Prana model, Cetma Pranas. I do also have the Edge that I'm going to show off to you guys here in the video, and this is just a different colored Prana without the pocket on there. So we'll actually start with the Pranas. The Pranas are one of their more economically priced fins. The Cetmas do come in a variety of different blades. You can choose from mounting them on pathos pockets. Personally, I think if you're going to go this route, it's worth going with the actual Cetma S-Wing pocket. It's designed to go specifically with this blade. It has a specific amount of back spacing on the pocket and on the blade, and it just really works well. In a couple of years, I doubt we're going to start seeing a lot of pockets that still utilize tendons. Probably 5 to 10 years, most pockets out there for the sport of freediving and spearfishing are going to essentially have either no tendons or very small to very thin tendons. We're starting to see that already. So anyway, check it out, guys. These are carbon slash composite fins. They're not a pure carbon fiber fin. I believe the mixture is about an 80 to 20 mixture. They're very, very well constructed. They do have a very nice roll and a very nice flex. Different models come in different kind of stiffnesses. I'm actually holding here a medium stiffness Prana. They do also come in different color rails. The water rails are designed really nicely. You'll notice they're actually kind of thin, and then they open up a little bit to make sure you get a good push all the way through the end of the blade. The way they're layered, I don't know if you guys can see it on there, but they're layered in a very intricate fashion to make sure you guys have a very nice progressive stiffness throughout the blade. And that's, you know, there's a couple other key points, but I'm going to keep it simple for now. These are the Edge models. These are significantly longer. These are their longest fin blade, if I'm not mistaken. And this is a pure carbon fiber fin. This is not a mixer. It's just a pure carbon fiber fin. We've been doing really well with these here in the shop. Also different kind of stiffnesses ranging from soft to medium, etc. Same design with the water rails. You'll actually notice though on the back half of the water rail, it's actually a little bit thicker versus the Prana. This actually matches up really well with the S-Wing pocket, and it allows the water to start channeling down the blade really nicely, which gives you a good push as you go through your kicking progressions. So this blade has been one of our most popular, has a very nice roll, very nice flex. The progressive stiffness is designed to not utilize pocket tendons on this guy right here. The angles on these blades, I believe, are somewhere in the low 20s. Now the one I don't have here, which is the Mantra, that one has, I believe, just over 30 degrees of angle at the back half over here. So it's a little bit more of an aggressive angle. The Mantra is what they call more of a purist freediving fin. It's a little shorter than the Edge fins. And supposedly, according to from what the manufacturer says, it doesn't have quite as much backbone, which allows you to go through your kicking progressions as a freediver smoothly, efficiently. Perhaps not the best kind of fin for pulling up a big fish off the bottom, but you know, if you're just planning on freediving and doing line diving, that would be a nice choice. Me personally, I have used the Edge fins, and these to me have pushed the most water as far as going up and down, and on the surface they're pretty awesome too. Now, what I have here is the Prana mounted in an S-Wing pocket, guys. You'll notice the S-Wing pocket is a pretty interesting design. It's very interesting how they designed this. So remember we were talking about the back spacing? So if you'll notice, the carbon fiber goes all the way to the back half of the blade. As a matter of fact, you can actually see the carbon through these little holes all the way back here. So this means you have carbon fiber all the way throughout the bottom of the pocket, which is going to result in a very, very awesome power transfer. So you're not getting a lot of wasted energy there. The back half of the pocket also has some stiffness, which is great because as you're going through your kicking progressions, it's going to offer really, really nice power right off the bat. You'll notice on the top, very similar to most pockets nowadays, they have a softer material, and then they have these bands that go over. You have 3 bands, all located in specific points of the pockets to offer the maximum efficiency. If you have a pocket that stretches too much on the top, you're losing power, and essentially your diving is going to suffer. The other thing that's pretty cool on this design is when the water starts channeling through the side of the fin, it actually flows right in between here, and these here act as water rails. Now, if I had the Edge mounted on here, you'll notice it actually would have lined up a little better than the Pranas. So it's just a little design thing that they added on the edges. So as far as price point here in the US market, you're looking at about 550 all the way to 650. 550 would be something like the Piranhas here. 650 would be something along the lines of the Edge and the Mantras. So guys, that's pretty much it for a review. I can get a little bit more in depth, but that would be a little too long. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. By the way, guys, we do offer these fins out of our shop. I appreciate you guys watching the video, and if you guys want to reach out for some quotes, I'd be very happy to help you guys out. You can reach out to me via email or check them out on our site. Hopefully you guys liked the video, and yeah, we'll catch you guys later. A lot of love. Peace out.